In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Edge from blocking downloads. If Edge keeps stopping files you know are safe, the issue usually comes down to a few built-in protections. We'll walk through the exact settings to adjust so you stay in control while keeping safety in mind as you go. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the main menu, then choose Settings. This is where all your browser controls live. On the left side, select Privacy, Search, and Services. This page governs tracking, security, and download behavior. Scroll to the Security area and open it. Here, you'll find Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Turn this toggle off to prevent Edge from blocking downloads it suspects might be unsafe. Keep in mind, this is a protective feature designed to warn you about phishing and malicious files. If you're turning it off, do so only when you trust the source of your download. You can always come back later and turn it back on once you're done. In the same Security section, locate the option labeled Block Potentially Unwanted Apps and turn that off as well. Potentially unwanted apps are often bundled installers, toolbars, or software that changes your settings. Edge may flag these even when they're part of legitimate downloads. Disabling this will reduce interruptions, but proceed carefully and stick to reputable websites. Now head back to the Privacy, Search, and Services page, and in the left panel choose Site Permissions. This area controls what websites are allowed to do in your browser. Click All Permissions to view the full set of categories, then select Automatic Downloads. This setting determines how Edge handles websites that try to save more than one file at a time. Under Default Behavior, check the toggle for Ask when a site tries to download multiple files. Set it to your preference. If it's on, Edge will prompt you each time a site attempts multiple downloads, giving you a chance to allow or block. If you turn it off, those downloads will proceed without asking, which can be more convenient for trusted sites, but could be risky if you land on a shady page. That's it. After adjusting these settings, try your download again. If it works, consider whether you want to keep any protections off permanently or switch them back on once you've finished. As a best practice, only download from sources you trust and keep your security software up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your files without unnecessary roadblocks while staying safe online.